Okay, so now we are going to solve problem set 1.1 from Kreyszig book, and we are going to solve question number 14. There are three questions. Verify that y is a solution of the ODE. So this is y, and this is the solution of the ODE. And where is the ODE? This is the ODE. So this one is the ODE, the ordinary differential equations. And then B, determine from y the particular solution of the IVP. So this is our initial value problem, or IVP. And lastly, we are asked to graph the solution of the IVP. So we find the y with c found, and we need to plot it. Okay, now let's do point A first. Okay, verify that y is a solution, meaning that we plug this y into one of the side of this ODE equation. So if we plug into left hand side, we should get the right hand side. If we plug into right hand side, we should get the left hand side. But I will start from left hand side because it seems easier to make the left hand side to the right hand side than the inverse. Okay, the left hand side I will have y prime tangent x. Okay, now we need to find y prime. Okay, we have c sine squared x. So first we need to differentiate this by using power rule. So we will have 2c of sine x. But because of the chain rule, we need to differentiate this function sine x and multiply them here. So we have cosine x here. And remember that we need to multiply this by tangent x. Okay, now we need to use the fact that tangent x is sine x over cos x. So we will have 2c sine x multiplied by cosine x, and then this multiplied by sine x over cosine x. So here we have this part cancel each other. Yeah, they are the same. And so we will have 2c, and sine x multiplied by sine x is sine squared x. Okay, we now have this form here in the right hand side, but we want this form here, 2y minus 8, and y is this one, c sine squared x plus 4. We need to state this as some form of y. So remember that y is this one, c sine squared x plus 4. So we need to add this by something, because this is 2. If you multiply this y by 2, we will have 2 psi sine squared x plus 8, right? So that is it. But this is not the same as before, so we need to subtract 8 from here. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. And we can factor out 2 from here. 2c sine squared x plus 4, then minus 8. And then remember that this part here is equal to y. So we will have this is equal to 2y minus 8. So this is the same as the right hand side. So we already verified that y is a solution of the ODE. So in conclusion, we have verified that y is a solution of the ODE. Okay, now let's move on to problem B. So we have y is c sine squared x plus 4, and we have the initial value problem, y of 1/2 multiplied by pi, or pi over 2. This is equal to 0. Okay, now y of 1/2 pi, we can just plug 1/2 pi into this function. So we will have c sine squared of 1/2 pi, because we replace x by 1/2 pi, then plus 4, that will equal to 0. Okay, now we have c, and sine pi over 2 is 1, and 1 we need to square it, plus 4 is equal to 0, or c plus 4 is equal to 0, or c is minus 4. So we can conclude that the particular solution of the ODE, we will have y is equal to minus 4 sine squared x plus 4. So this is from the IVB. And lastly, we need to plot this function into graph. So let's graph the function. Okay, what tools that we can use here? Maybe I will use Desmos. Yeah, okay. Y is equal to minus 4 sine x, but sine x is squared, and then plus 4. Okay, so this is the graph. Yeah, hopefully I did not make any mistakes. Okay, let's just put this into our answer, I mean. Oh, it's too big. Yeah, but you got the idea. The graph is too big. Yeah, this is the graph. Yeah, I don't want to resize it, but yeah, this is okay. So we have this particular solution, and we have verified that y is a solution of the ODE. So hopefully this will help you to solve this problem. Do not forget to like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.